Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we'll be proving the claim that for all x, y in R, the real numbers, the absolute value of x times y is equal to the absolute value of x times the absolute value of y. So let's start our proof by remembering a definition. Recall that the square root of x squared is equal to the absolute value of x for all x in R. So you might be asking yourself, hey, wait a second, why are these absolute values here? Why is it not the square root of x squared is equal to x? Well, let's chalk up a counterexample. The square root of -3 squared is equal to the square root of 9, which is equal to 3. And 3 is not equal to -3. Therefore, whatever we input, we have to take the absolute value of that at the other side of the equation, or else this is going to lead to a logical contradiction. Let's continue with the proof. So let's examine the absolute value of x, get a different color, the absolute value of x times y. Okay, well, using our definition here, we know that x times y is just a real number. So we can apply this definition. This is equal to the to the square root of x times y squared. Using our properties of exponents, we know that this is equivalent to the square root of x squared times y squared. Let's continue expanding this. This is equal to the square root of x squared times the square root of y squared. And again, using our definition, we know that this is simply equal to the absolute value of x times the absolute value of y. And our proof is done. So that was a nice short proof. Hopefully this helped clarify some things if you were confused on why this is true, or maybe you've never seen a proof like this before and you were wondering how it's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day.